Hey guys, welcome. I just wanted to show you what I've been up to for the past couple weeks. As you see here, this is my Just Eat Keto Facebook page. It is a page just dedicated to all the keto recipes that many of you have already seen, and future recipes that'll be coming out weekly, maybe a couple times a week. Just wanted to point out we've got justeatketo.com. That is the homepage for my blog. I'll show you that here in just a second. And then the next link here, this is all into the About page. The next link here is my YouTube URL, and I don't have enough subscribers in order to get a personalized one yet, so you might have to copy and paste this one. That's all right. So we'll just kind of show you, this is what the YouTube page looks like. Lots of videos on there. There's more than what you initially see. It only shows you the first few. I don't have a ton, but I'm looking to grow that more and more every single day. So make sure you subscribe to that. If you're able to, I'd really appreciate it. And then this here is my blog. I meant to go back to the homepage, but this is one of the examples of the recipe cards that I put up here. It's just got the ingredients, the instructions, a YouTube tutorial. Not all of them have the YouTube tutorial yet, but that's pretty much it. So if you could like and subscribe all of my wonderful things, or at least one of them, I would appreciate it so much. It's going to help me in the long run. And I love doing this stuff, guys. So don't make me regret it. I appreciate it so much.